Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact dart point and stitching line. Mark 0. 5 cm past the tip so you preserve fabric. Use a seam ripper to open the stitched dart from the widest end toward the tip. Stop just short of the tip. Once done, press the open area flat with an iron to relax fibers. Make sure to align grain lines. Pin the open sections so they stay even, because accurate alignment prevents distortion when you resew or finish the seam. Next, you reshape the garment by redistributing fullness where the dart sat. Fold or ease that excess into the new seam allowance and remark the intended shape. Once marked, baste by hand or machine at 1 cm to test the fit. This lets you check balance without committing. Then machine stitch the final seam, tapering smoothly toward the former dart point so there's no abrupt notch. Make sure to maintain even stitch length and keep fabric flat under the presser foot. Finally, you finish the seam by trimming allowances to 0. 1 cm and clipping where needed so the seam lies flat. Press the seam toward its new direction, then secure ends with a backstitch or small bar tack. If you want a cleaner look, top stitch close to the seam. If you notice puckering or unevenness, repress with steam and gently stretch or compress the seam while pressing. Make sure to check machine tension and, if necessary, rebaste with a slightly larger allowance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.